Up until today, you have only seen my M1 Finance portfolio. You've watched my journey there, tracked my dividend growth, and seen how I handle that platform. But there is a massive side to my investing journey that I have kept completely behind the scenes. Until now. This is my Robinhood portfolio, and it is currently sitting at $168,381.82. I am showing this to you for the very first time today because we have reached a massive turning point. I have officially initiated a full transfer to move my entire M1 Finance portfolio directly into this Robinhood account. In just a few days, these two portfolios are going to combine. If I don't document this clean slate today, the positions will merge, the data will get messy, and we lose our baseline. But here's the craziest part about this reveal. I have already completely withdrawn my initial investment from this account to fully pay off my mortgage. Every single dollar, every single share, and every option contract you see on this screen right now is 100% house money. To understand how we built a hidden six-figure portfolio out of house money, you have to look at the chart, because it has been a wild ride. Let's look at the all-time chart, because it shows the exact mental toughness you need when navigating the markets. If we go back to the beginning on January 1st, 2018, this account started out at a negative baseline of minus $58,867.39. By November 1st, 2023, it hit a brutal floor, dropping into a deep hole at a negative balance of minus $109,392.02. A lot of people would have panicked, thought they lost it all, and folded right there, but I held the line. And look at the turnaround. By November 1st, 2025, this portfolio skyrocketed to an absolute all-time high peak of $316,024.63. Since hitting that peak, the market has descended, pulling us down to our current baseline of $168,381.82. But even with that pullback, because we are playing the long game, our all-time lifetime gains are sitting strong at plus $227,249.22. That is the power of high-conviction investing with house money. So how is this house money actually being put to work right now? It's being driven by an options engine fueled by $140,000 in locked-up collateral. I want to break down the exact performance timelines of these options from start to finish because a lot of people think options are just a gamble. I use them consistently for cash flow, and the numbers speak for themselves. Let's look at the timeline breakdown. The past week, we had a highly explosive week, up plus $5,163.82, or over 10%. The past month, zooming out to the 30-day view, the momentum stays strong, sitting green at plus $7,050.60. The 3-month view, over a quarter of active trading, the strategy netted plus $9,784.74. The 1-year view, looking at the past year, the total numbers scale up significantly to plus $19,250.02. The all-time view, cumulatively, across the entire timeline of open and running options on this account, we are up plus $12,723.41. But these aren't just open positions. If we click into my realized profit and loss under the max settings, you can see the hard proof of what has been completely locked in. Since 2024, my realized options profit is sitting at a clean plus $17,912.47. That is cash taken out of the market, completely realized, and adding to the safety net of this house money portfolio. Now let's talk about the underlying shares anchoring this entire portfolio. If we scroll past the options into the equity, you will see the absolute undisputed champion of this account, Palantir, PLTR. I am holding 1,400 shares of PLTR, and it is currently sitting at a staggering lifetime gain of plus $107,022.90. When an individual stock carries a six-figure green return on 100% house money, you realize why high-conviction patience matters. But a transparent portfolio review means showing the red days too. Hood, holding 100 shares, down minus $3,290. SoFi, holding 1,001 shares, down minus $3,653.29. Path, holding 701 shares, down minus $3,728.56. On the winning side again, we have 100 shares of NVDA sitting green at plus $1,469.15. This is the exact operational framework of my Robinhood account today. It is a highly active, heavily optimized machine running on pure house money. This video officially marks the end of Phase 1 for this account. In just a few days, the ACATTS transfer finishes settling. My M1 Finance portfolio drops right into this dashboard, and all of these share counts, metrics, and cost bases are going to change. We are tracking this entire journey live to record my before-merger content. Drop a comment below if you're holding PLTR or trading options right now, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss next week's video when the M1 portfolio officially merges. I'll see you in the next one.